Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and using the profile where you want the language change to stick. Once Chrome is open, check version via menu help about Google Chrome and update if needed. This avoids UI differences. Next, go to Settings Languages and enable Offer to translate pages. This ensures translate prompts appear. Now you're ready to change the target language. Make sure you keep the translate feature active so the next steps work as shown. Open any page written in the language you want translated so Chrome shows the translate icon. You click that icon in the address bar, or right-click the page and choose Translate to. Once the small translate bubble opens, click the three-dot menu or Change Languages. Then explicitly select the target language you want Chrome to translate into and confirm. This sets the immediate translation target. Once done, Chrome will use that choice for similar pages. After selecting the target language, choose Always Translate if you want automatic conversion without prompts. Once saved, test by loading a new page in the source language. Chrome should translate immediately. If it does not, restart Chrome. If that still fails, clear cache and cookies for the site or re-enable the Translate option. As a final tip, install the Google Translate extension and set its target language, which forces translations when built-in settings misbehave. This resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.